Hayat Jain Pasang.
Sundubuji. Steam rice.
Sa Bisaya. Fish mackerel meaty. Kailan babanlian mo na yan?
Maglumpia sana.
Ito yung pandalawang kilo plastic tayo.
Bali 30 po.
Magala sa timbangan niya. Kailangan, binibenta pa ba nila? Na kumita lang sila.
Na ako ng pen shop kanina and tinry ko na yung icon nila na pabango yung perfume. Babango siya and then ngayon pupunta naman ako dito sa may kasi nakita ko yung sikat na cinnamon roll na perfume. So itry natin siya. Spray pala to. Ako ngayon sa loob ng Watsons. And then, ito lang yung meron sila. Wala yung nakikita ko na merong box. And then yung parang meron siyang palawit. So, milk and ano siya, marshmallow. So we've been roving around for 2 hours. And yung longevity nung perfume is first, I'll be honest, sweet siya. But in the 30 minutes, nagiging parang alcoholic vibe yung kanyang perfume. I've been thinking kung bibilin ko ba siya. Kasi I've seen one of sa TikTok. It is a Soldenario from US daw yon. And then, nakalagay siya sa mga parang mga decant. They have 5 ml, 10 ml, 2 ml something, 2 ml, 5, and then 10. So, gusto kong itry yung Soldenario. And mabango din daw siya. So, okay naman siya for the smell wise. But, yun nga, yung said earlier, nagiging parang alcoholic yung kanyang vibe. So, yeah. And today is 31st of October. Tomorrow is November 1. And, yon, happy Halloween everyone. Siguro late ko na to mapapanood. Late nyo na to mapapanood and maa-upload because kasi sa Tuesday, I'll be doing my demonstration teaching in English literature. And ayun, inaantay ko na lang yon para makita nyo rin. Because I've been preparing this for around 1 month na rin. But this is not a So today, that's why I'm here in Robinsons. I'll be buying some of the stuffs that I need for Tuesday, especially the bread, because bread and spreads will be sorry, I have sore throat. So bread and spreads will be the highlight of my teaching demonstration. So gusto ko ipakita sa inyo 'yon.